Flexibility, value, performance. The Kimball Midwest Crystal Cut 4.5-inch diamond abrasive wheel. Remove material like a grinding disc, rotate 90 degrees, and you can cut with it. Grind on the front of the wheel, use the top grain to grind on the back of the wheel. Cut and grind an almost unlimited number of materials, including stainless steel, hard-facing alloys, rail tracks, welds, and masonry. Diamonds adhered to a steel plate last a minimum of 20 times longer than a conventional wheel, our lowest cost per job of any wheel we offer. Extreme long life means less operator downtime for wheel changes. Solid steel and diamond construction provides the safest design for a grinding wheel, and the solid construction produces less smoke and debris. As you use the disc, it stays the same size for a consistent user experience. Flexibility, value, and performance. The Kimball Midwest Crystal Cut Diamond Abrasive Wheel. To learn more about our abrasive products, contact your local Kimball Midwest representative.